India International Convention and Expo Center, also named Yashobhoomi, has been conceived as a smart, mixed-use urban development project that showcases India's growth and achievements to the world, contributing significantly to the country's GDP growth. Combining technology, innovation, and culture, Yashobhoomi aims to fulfill the need for a common interaction ground between Indian and international businesses, investors, and buyers. Envisaged at the scale of a central business district (CBD), Yashobhoomi is not just a development, it's a symbol of India's forward-looking ambitions. This massive project embraces Indian culture and tradition while pushing the boundaries of contemporary planning and architecture. Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a project that embodies a nation's aspirations? Envisioned by C.P. Kukreja Architects, Yashobhoomi embodies India's aspiration to host world-class events, conferences, and exhibitions. Located in Dwarka Sector 25, New Delhi, it offers more than just a venue, it's an immersive experience designed for MICE, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions on a global scale. With seamless connectivity to the city's metro station, it ensures convenient access for all attendees. This project, with an estimated cost of INR 25,703 crore, offers 303,000 square meters of exhibition space, 60,000 square meters of convention area, and a 50,000 square meter multi-purpose arena. Yashobhoomi is set to transform India's MICE meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibition sector. Yashobhoomi is more than just a collection of buildings. It's a futuristic development modeled to position India as a global leader in the exhibition and convention industry. This project presents a model for creating a thriving, biodiverse mini-cityscape amidst the concrete jungle, setting new benchmarks for architecture, public infrastructure, and economic growth. The state-of-the-art convention center is one of the world's largest, designed to host over 11,000 people for international conferences, exhibitions, or trade shows. It features a main auditorium with a capacity of more than 6,000, a grand ballroom for 2,300 people, 15 convention rooms accommodating a total of 3,000 attendees, and several meeting rooms. A standout design feature is the crown of this building, an external LED video wall poised to be among the world's largest. This 100,000 square foot screen wraps around the building from the rooftop, tilting outward at a 45-degree angle for easy viewing. Strategically located adjacent to all major transportation nodes in the capital, Yashobhoomi is easily accessible to both international and domestic visitors. Green boulevards and shaded spaces encourage interaction and provide natural recreational areas, complete with water features that positively influence the area's microclimate. The exhibition halls are a highlight, offering the flexibility to be divided into 4 separate spaces, each approximately 80 by 80 meters, to accommodate various exhibition requirements. Multiple access points to the complex create permeability with the urban context, seamlessly integrating it into its surroundings. The global MICE market is a significant economic driver for many nations. Currently, India captures only a small percentage of Asia's share in this sector. Due to the absence of world-class exhibition and conference facilities, India has not fully capitalized on the potential benefits of this industry. The development of the IICC is expected to change this, enabling New Delhi to compete with cities like Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Singapore in the MICE sector. The proposed exhibition center, convention center, and multi-performance arena are expected to generate over 5 lakh direct and indirect employment opportunities, marking a significant boost to the country's economy. As Yashobhoomi takes shape as a beacon of India's future growth and innovation, what are your thoughts on its impact on India's position in the global exhibition and convention industry? Do let us know your thoughts on this in the comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such breathtaking projects, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Architect's Diary. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment.